Hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you about Asana code. So today we need to go into the Asana and I will give you those codes. It's got 11 codes. I will give you 11 codes. So let's start. You must get into this Asana first. Asana. Okay, this is me. So you need to go here, code, and I want to redeem first. Kitten. Remember capital letter and redeem it. Code already redeemed. Yeah, that's that. It's not I just redeem it. So another code, John. Redeem it. Code redeem. Another code, CBROX. This is another code. Redeem it. Code already redeemed. If you still don't know, I can later I will replace those codes. So another code is called EPRIKA. Yeah, this is another code. Redeem. Yeah, code redeem. Another go. This is another code. Redeem it. Code redeem. Another code. Hook. Redeem. Code redeem. Another pet. Redeem it. Code redeem. Then redeem. Code already redeem. Yeah. Another one. Then, but this needs capital, small letter. Then this. Wait, I forgot one. This. Code redeem. So foolish. This is another code. Redeem it. Code doesn't exist. I think there's some problem in this. Let's try again. Foolish. Okay, I think this is not the code. So now return it. Now I go to locker and see I have this all. Yeah. This all is my those things. Yeah. So now I go to shop. Now I have $10 only. I want to aim for it. So I click shop, go again the code and type CORLLFACE. Yeah, this is the code. Redeem it. Wait, I thought, I think it's expired. So never mind. That's not. So these all codes are in here. So you can try locker character. So I'm gonna choose Phoenix. Yeah. Lord. Wait. Yeah, I did. Let's try. Laggy. I'm quite new at Asana. So this is the game, and thank you for watching my video, and remember, subscribe and like my channel. Remember, press the bell. Thank you. Bye.